Chapter 10 Introduction of Economy. Introduction. Productive activities are those that serve a purpose and include farming, manufacturing, mining, transport, and communication. An economy is a combination of productive activities and services provided. People buy various goods and services from the market to satisfy their needs. Previously, the village economy played an important role as an economic, political, and administrative unit, of which agriculture and handicrafts were the main activities of the people. The Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary defines an economy as a relationship between production, trade, and the supply of money in a certain country or region. Types of economy. Capitalist. In a capitalist economy, means of production are owned and managed by private individuals. Main motive of production is to maximize profits. Example: USA. Socialist. In a socialist economy, factors of production are owned by society as a whole. Government owns and manages the means of production. Main aim is to maximize social welfare. Example: China. Mixed. Mixed economy is a coexistence of public and private sector. In this type of economy, means of production are owned and managed by the government and private individuals as well. Example: India. Features of economy. The main features of economy are: certain geographical area. Every economy has well-defined and specific geographical area which, along with its constituents, plays an important role. India has a well-defined geographical area of 32,87,263 square kilometers with 29 states and 7 union territories. It occupies 2.4% of total land area of the earth. Natural resources. This includes freely available land, mountains, water, sunshine, sea, forests, mineral deposits, etc. in a particular geographical area. Economy of a particular place is influenced by the availability and utilization of natural resources. Population. Population refers to the number of people in a certain geographical area or region. Supply of labor in a country depends on the size of population. Quality of human resources can be improved by education, training, and health services. Population of a country can be categorized into 3 types. Optimum population. This is an ideal size of population, which is in balance with available resources. Overpopulation. In this case, population is more than available resources, thus increasing pressure on the available resources. Underpopulation. In this case, population in a particular area is lesser than optimum level. The available resources are not fully utilized by the existing population. Political sovereignty. The term sovereignty means supreme power or authority in the context of governing a country. For a country to show growth of economy to its complete potential, the government should have the supreme power to make rules and to enforce laws. Sectoral distribution. Sectoral distribution is one of the features of every economy. This can be done based on two factors. On the basis of ownership and management, sectors can be classified into private sector, public sector, joint sector. On the basis of nature of productive activities, sectors can be classified into primary sector, secondary sector, tertiary sector. Primary sector. The primary sector, also known as agricultural sector, consists of occupations based on natural resources. Example: agriculture, poultry farming, fishery, forestry, mining, etc. More than half of India's population is engaged in this sector. Secondary sector. This includes occupations related to manufacturing, construction work, electricity, natural gas, water supply, etc. It is also known as industrial sector. Tertiary sector. It is also known as service sector. It includes services like transport, communication, education, hotels, etc. GDP, Gross Domestic Product. This is the total production of goods and services within a country during a given period. Sectoral distribution of GDP. This is an index that measures economic development of a country. Rise in contribution of the secondary and tertiary sector is observed in India, which indicates an increase in economic development.